Alright everyone, so today we got another unboxing video. This one just arrived today from Lombard Hobbies. It's a pre-order I had made and it just got here this morning, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so up top here we got the brand new Rapido Dash 8 40 cm. Brand new blue box, as you can see there, in HO scale, Canadian National number 2437 is the first one. We didn't get just one of these, but there's also another down in here. So check that out. Another Dash 8. This one's BCOL number 4612 in the red, white, and blue scheme. This one's got the yellow seal. It's later on in their era. And then of course, the best for last, with Lombard Hobbies, you always get a pouch of fruit snacks. That's a great touch. Alright, so I'm going to get these out of the box and let's get a closer angle. Alright, so we're going to start with the Canadian National variant first. As you can see, this is just a DC ready model, no sound. So starting with the unboxing of the actual model, this is pretty new. We got a plastic sleeve over the outside box, so that'll just slide off. And the top of the box here just pulls off. And up top here we got our newly designed instruction manual, Dash 8. It's pretty cool. Got the GE logo up there. It just goes through maintenance, sound if you got DCC and sound, decoder, all that good stuff. Looks like we got a few stickers up top here. It's pretty cool to include. And this top foam piece slides right off. And we got the model down in there. So up top here looks like we got a parts bag. Those are the later style radiators. A few different pieces in there. And this is your typical packaging that most manufacturers are going to. It's a clamshell style with a sleeve. This sleeve part just slips right off. You know, I can do this clamp here and top lifts off. Model will pull out just like that. There's a layer of plastic underneath. And there we have the brand new number 2437. Now I'm going to get the BC rail out for a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so here we have the all-new Rapido Dash 840 CMs out of the box. These are all new road numbers and they look fantastic. So on the CN here I got number 2437 and then BC rail number 4612. And we'll just do an overview of the major changes. This won't be a real in-depth review. We'll just look over some of the quick changes. So starting off here on the CN, the marker lights are actually molded in and already come installed with LEDs, so it's ready to go. And just like on last run, the number boards are lit. And then moving down here on the Pilot, looks like we have a KD metal coupler, and then the MU hoses, those come already installed, so no need to do it yourself. And then here on the walkways, this time around they're actually see-through, so I'll see if I can get a good angle on that. You can see there they're actually etched compared to last time. And then on the front here, windshield looks great. And then down here, the builder's plate. And these are in the new Rapido caliber line compared to the prime movers last time, so there are improved details. And over on here on the BC rail, one new feature is the rock lights already come installed. So no need to do it yourself. They're already on there out of the box. And again, etched walkways like on CN. Move to the side here on both of them. Get a quick glance on the conductor side. And on this run there are variations of the radiators. There are several variants of them depending on which era you model. So you have to check with the year you model and see how those were on the prototype. As you can see here on the BC rail, they're raised more compared to the Canadian National. On top of the BC rail you got the K5H. And then the Canadian National, you got the K3L for the horns. Both feature the yellow silk stripe as well. Moving to the back on both of them. On the Canadian National, we got the single rear headlight. And on the BC rail, we got the double vertical headlight, which is both are accurate to the prototype. And also a new feature I'm seeing here is the rear knuckles added on the rear Pilot. Looks very nice. And another engineer side here. Get a quick glance at that. Very nice underbody detail as well. More of the plumbing added and traction motor cables. And that'll bring us back to the front on both of them. And well, that's pretty much it from me, guys. This was just a quick overview, not a real in-depth review, just showing off some of the major changes. And that'll be all for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you later.